All right, what is up, guys? We're making a high protein pizza today. So for the base, we're using one pita. We'll be using 60 grams of this pizza sauce right here. You can really do any pasta sauce or anything you like, just lower in calories, lower in sugar. That's going to be the better option. We're going to use 70 grams of this fat-free mozzarella cheese. We'll use 15 turkey pepperonis. These are going to be a lot lower in fat than regular pepperoni. And then we're going to drizzle some of this hot honey on top to finish it off. And then it's up to you whether you want to add some black pepper or some basil, red pepper flakes, whatever you like on top of your pizza. All right, so I'm going to add 60 grams of the pizza sauce. I'm just going to spread it out evenly. All right, now we got 70 grams of the fat-free mozzarella cheese. So I washed this so the cheese melts better. Just going to try and get a nice layer here. Make sure that it's fully covered. All right, so I like to put down a first layer of cheese, and then I'm going to put the pepperoni on, and then I'm going to put another layer of cheese on top of that. So we got our 15 pepperonis. Just going to put it in a circle and then work my way in. All right, so now I'm going to put the cheese on top of here. Get a nice little melt of the cheese on top of the pepperoni. So you can put this in the oven or you can put this in the air fryer. I prefer the air fryer. So you're going to cook your high protein pizza for about 5 to 7 minutes at 375. I noticed that 7 minutes is a little bit too much, at least for my air fryer. So I go about 5.5 minutes is my sweet spot. All right, guys. So fresh out of the air fryer. Put that down here. Careful how we grab this. All right. I'm going to plate it right there. So now I'm going to immediately put some hot honey on here. So I go about 5 grams with it, which is about this right here. And then I like to put some black pepper on top and then a little bit of dried basil. So this pizza with these specific ingredients, the total calories for this is 389 calories, 38 grams of protein, 8 grams of fat, and 44 grams of carbs. All right, so we're going to give it a nice slice. There's cut up in the 4s. All right, and there we have it, the high protein pizza. So give this a try. Air fryer or oven, high in protein, lower in calories. Definitely give this a try. All right, thank you guys for watching today's video. If you don't feel like cooking at home, I made a video sharing 3 orders at Chipotle that are high in protein and low in calories. Check out that video right here. And with that said, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and we'll see you on the next one.